Hi guys, today we're going to be looking at factors, prime numbers and multiples. So factors are numbers that divide exactly into another number without a remainder. So we have some examples. So I've got example finding factors of 12. So we make sure that when finding factors of a number, we have to find them in pairs to ensure that we do not miss out any of the numbers. For example, finding them in pairs is when you do 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. So if you circle them, so the factors of 12 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Now we've got another example. Factors of 54. We're going to find factors of 54 in pairs so we do not miss out any of the numbers. So we've got 1 and 54, 2 and 27, 3 and 18, 6 and then 9. Circle them again. 1. So the factors of 54 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27, and the last one is 54. The next we're going to look at would be prime numbers. Prime numbers are only divisible by themselves and 1. So in other words, we can also say that the only factors of a prime number are 1 and itself. So let's say, for example, we need to find out if 7 is a prime number. Now we know that 7, finding factors of 7, just like we did for 54 and 12, factors of 7 are 1. Remember to find them in pairs so we don't miss out any number. So we've got 1 and 7, we haven't got any other. So we say that 7 is a prime number. Now we're going to look at this grid from 1 to 100. We're going to circle all the prime numbers from 1 to 100. Before I continue, 2 is the only even prime number. 2 is the only even prime number. So if we start with 2, the next will be 3, next will be 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Now we move to the 20s. We've got 23 and 29. We move to the 30s. We've got 31 and 37. We move to the 40s. We've got 41, 43 and 47. We move to the 50s. We've got 53 and 59. Now we move to the 60s. We've got 61 and we've got 67. Moving to 70s, we've got 71, 73 and 79. We move to the 80s, we've got 83 and 89. And the only number in the 90s that is a prime is 97. The next number we're going to talk about will be multiples. So when we think multiples, we always think times table. So multiples we think times tables. For example, if I want to write down the first six multiples of 5, that will be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. So these are the numbers in the times table. That is what we call multiples. Now another example is multiples of 3. So let's look at first 6 multiples of 3. That would be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So these are the first 6 multiples of 3, and this one the first 6 multiples of 5. Okay, if you understand this topic, subscribe and like this video, and I will make more videos. Bye. See you in my next video.